Calendly Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Calendly are in the description below. In this video, we'll review Calendly, one of the most popular scheduling automation tools designed to streamline appointment booking and eliminate back-and-forth emails. It's widely used by entrepreneurs, sales teams, recruiters, consultants, and service providers who need an efficient way to manage their meetings. Calendly allows users to create customized booking links that sync with their Google, Outlook, iCloud, and Office 365 calendars in real time, preventing double bookings and ensuring availability is always up to date. You can set up one-on-one meetings, group sessions, round-robin scheduling for teams, and even collective meetings, making it highly versatile for different business needs. One of its standout features is workflow automation, where you can send automated reminders, follow-ups, and thank you messages via email or SMS. This reduces no-shows and enhances customer engagement. Additionally, Calendly integrates with major business tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Salesforce, HubSpot, Slack, and Zapier, allowing seamless workflow automation across different platforms. For businesses that charge for consultations, Calendly supports Stripe and PayPal integration, enabling users to collect payments upfront. You can also add customized questions before booking, ensuring you gather necessary information before the meeting starts. Calendly offers a clean and professional user interface, making it easy for clients to book appointments with minimal effort. Advanced settings like buffer times, time zone detection, and meeting limits give users full control over their scheduling preferences. Pricing-wise, Calendly offers a free plan with basic scheduling features, while Premium and Pro plans unlock team functionalities, branding options, advanced integrations, and automation workflows. The Enterprise plan caters to large teams that require enhanced security, compliance, and admin controls. Overall, Calendly is one of the best tools for businesses looking to automate scheduling, enhance productivity, and improve client interactions. It's an essential tool for anyone who manages multiple appointments and wants a seamless professional booking experience. If you're looking for a reliable and feature-rich scheduling solution, check out Calendly. Links are in the description.